Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux World, and today I got a tip to put on your table that was passed down by a guy named AK Boreless Dev. He makes Gear S3 watch faces in the Gear Manager store, so if you're looking for some nice watch faces, then check out this guy's lineup. I had to tip my hat off to this guy because if he hadn't passed the tip down, I wouldn't be passing the tip on. Now, some of you all may know about this tip. Some others, or many others, may not know, quite like myself. I didn't know. Right? Now, what you could do with the Galaxy Note 8 is you can charge up other devices. Yes, that's what I said, other devices, right? I thought that was pretty cool, very unique feature that I've been heard of before. So now, not only can you do it with the Note 8, you can do it with the S7, S7 Edge, the S8, and the S8 Plus. And I'm not sure if the Google Pixel lineup and or the LG lineup or any other smartphone lineup came with a USB connector, which is what you're going to need in order to be able to charge up other devices. But it's very simple to do. Just keep your connector with you, keep your short cord, and you're good to go. Now, for those of you all who can't find your connector, if you lost it, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can find this on Amazon.com. I'm thinking it shouldn't cost no more than about $3 to $5. Okay? I'll leave it down below for you. All right, with that, let's go ahead. Let's check this out. Plus, I know you want to know how the charging process goes and how much battery life you're going to lose and how much battery life you're going to gain with this new feature that I'm about to show you. Okay, so first of all, get your USB connector, plug it into your Galaxy Note 8 and or your Galaxy S7 Edge. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab your cord. Now, with me, I'm not charging it up to another USB Type-C device, so I have to grab the old cord, which is a micro USB cord. First of all, I'm going to plug up the USB in to the USB connector, and then I'm going to grab the Galaxy S7 Edge. And you heard it, right? It turned on. Let me clear this up for you so you can see. So yes, it's charging right away. Let me unplug it again. You see it went off. Plug it back up again, and it comes back on. So I'm thinking this is really, really a tight feature to have on a smartphone. I thought it was pretty cool, guys. Something that I may or may not use, but I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. You know what I mean? So with that being said, here's my testing of what I came up or what I experienced with the charging process. Now, the Galaxy S7 Edge was charged at 88%. The Galaxy Note was charged at 78%. Now, in 10 minutes, I was able to get a charge up to 92%, right? Not bad at all. That's 6%. Listen, if you got the Galaxy lineup, you know that we could put it in power saving mode and we're on like popcorn from there. And the Galaxy Note 8 went down from 78% to 73%. Now that's just in 10 minutes, which isn't bad, especially if you need to make a phone call, you need to remote start your car, whatever you need to do, get information off the internet, you can do that. So what I did was I charged it up another 20 minutes, right, just to see how much charge I would get in 30 minutes. And when I came back, the phone was charged at 100% already. Now, I don't know how long it was charged at 100%. And I'm thinking it could have went over. So I went from 92 to 100. That's 8. I'm going to say 10, 11%. Right? Now, I went down on the Galaxy Note 8 to 65%. That still is not bad for a charge. So if I want to help my wife out with some battery percentage, I could share it. You know what I mean? I could do that. Or she could share some with me if she's feeling given that day, right? But I'm thinking it's a cool feature to have to, charge up on the go, or, if you're caught in the pinch, you're not going home, you just need a little bit more battery life, then you could do this with this feature that I thought was awesome. Now, the devices that you can charge up is I charged up a battery pack by Aki. I thought that was pretty slick, right? And I charged up a battery case that I got for my Galaxy Note 8. Now, I also charged up my tablet. Now, I thought that was awesome as well. Now, I didn't go deep off into the processing specs for that one. I will, if you want me to, just hit me in the comment section down below, and I will do so. And you can charge up, which I thought was really cool. Me, I wear wireless Bluetooth speakers. Headphones on the go. I don't have to worry about it being on low cell. I just take this cord, charge it up to my my headphones, and I'm good to go. So I'm thinking, guys, this is a pretty slick feature. What do you think? All right, you all, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see me, if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on the channel, then please make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you want to see videos like this again, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.